Hi Andy, can you hear me a little bit? I decided to start filming this video from this very cool house. This is so gorgeous, just look at this. Well, I just continue with where I stopped. I don't want to get back because it was a few steps, don't worry about that. So I came from there, maybe, I'm not sure, I think, yeah. And I'm heading over there. I'm now at the big avenue of Petrograd side. Well, this is a alcohol shop with very strange name. Funny. I wasn't sure about what side I should walk along because the sun was shining me right in the eye, but the good thing is, and I think that it's not a coincidence, it cannot be. Oh, look at this gate. That while I was talking to you, the sun kind of hid behind this big house and other houses, so this is interesting, right? This combination. Sorry, I cannot really talk about one subject, and I kind of interrupted myself. That's so bad because my thoughts are tumbling up and down. So I beg your pardon for this. I'm kind of glad that my appointment is over. Did you see these purple scooters yet? Well, this is a terrace. I'm not sure which street is this, but I still have to go straight because despite that I'm heading to Sportivnaya, the subway. This is not a cool house, isn't it? I think I'm gonna cross the river because what's the point of going to Sportivnaya if you cannot cross the river, right? So I cannot really commend everything, each cool house that I see, but it's just a bar, and sometimes I can miss something, but probably you can notice a few interesting things in the video. Wait, and I'm sorry if it's getting blurry sometimes because I cannot really control it. Well, this is Unse. Yeah, I saw it on the map. This is the Institute of Psychoanalysis. I think that this is... Okay, what is this? Yeah, this is a historical building of the firefighters' quarters. I guessed it based on these doors, these gates, and that's what is written there. Something very old. The houses are mixed here, so... That's weird. I have no idea if I can... Oh, I think that was some church. I have no idea if I can normally cross the road beneath the river. So there is 1 more minute until I can cross the street. So I'm just showing you around, and look at this magnificent architecture. Not the most impressive one, but I know this type of houses. There are a lot of them in the center. I think I should make these videos separate. I mean, what the heck is this? I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry for the delay. Meanwhile, I can show you the panoramic view, and as you can see, it's another Volga bus, number 10. I have no idea where it goes to, and I should be crossing the road. I think in order to fit everything in my videos, I should film some separate videos, especially the video of my crossing of Neva River. Some cool installation here. That's weird. What is that? Ah, Restaurant Pirosmani. something Georgian, but not too much. Here we have some nice yard. What is that? Oh. Что? Oh Jesus. Nothing interesting, it's just a French boutique. Because it looks like a little bit like перинные ряды on Nevsky Avenue. What do you call it? Гостиный двор. Merchants Court. And Merchants Court is a big facility. It consists of a few gigantic buildings, and one of the most interesting ones is перинные ряды. They were restored not long ago. Look, I'm sorry for it's getting blurry all the time. This is not a cool building. Наверное, Зверинская. Well, it's written over here Petrograd style. I have no idea what they mean. Okay. Nothing special. So I mostly reached the river. And this is just a clinic, an ordinary polyclinic, like the one that we have at my house. Because people live everywhere and they have to go to the doctor sometimes, not only admire the sightseeing and not only just traipse along the streets like I'm doing, and something got into my eye. That's not good. This kind of pillows, they have become very popular recently. It's like a trend, something trendy. And something trendy is always a little bit silly. Well, I think that from now on, the most interesting things are getting started. Well, some souvenirs here. Это матрешки. You know them. Did I tell you that I sincerely would like to see some of your collection, if you find any. I mean, it's up to you, it's obligate, but I think that it would be exciting to see. And I think that this is Hoklama, probably the style of fine arts. Well, another one glance at Matryoshki and I should be going. Oh Jesus, they drill in the walls. Okay. Sorry, I'm shaking my camera so much. Today I'm so not good at filming. I'm not good at anything. And I'm feeling kind of worthless today. I mean, I know I should film it better. Okay, now I will see. Oh, look at this chapel. I will see and try to find out if I can cross it somewhere over there, because I probably cannot. And I start filming another video when I finally get on the bridge itself. This is Tuchkov Most, Tuchkov Bridge. It's actually a renovated one because they have built a new one, but initial bridge is an engineering miracle. It's so striking, and it was so striking that it raises a lot of questions about alternative history, like all other what do you call this, megalithic structures. That one is cathedral. I'll tell you later what it is. I don't think I should be going there, otherwise I won't be able to get to work. So I didn't see it anywhere on the map, the crosswalks that can lead me to the bridge, but they have a stop, they have a bus stop. There should be some crosswalks. So she's kind of lost, so I'll probably have to ask someone. Maybe the residents know. Everybody's heading over there, but I really wanted to film it from that side because over there is the stadium. Yeah, it's a famous stadium, so I was trying to film it, but if there is no way to get on that side of the bridge, then I'll have to cross it somewhere on that side. I don't know. So maybe I should go closer to the cathedral and film it. I don't know. I'll see what I can do. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now.